Hello guys, welcome again to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna walk you through a step-by-step on how to hard reset or factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A10e. This particular device is with Boost Mobile. This tutorial would work with any similar models from any other carriers. So what you'll need to do, you will need to press the power key and the volume up key at the same time. You want to press and hold. As soon as the Samsung logo comes up, you want to release the power and keep holding on the volume up key. Keep holding until you get to the recovery screen. Once you get to the screen, what you'll need to do, you will need to press the volume down key to scroll down to wipe factory reset or wipe data factory reset. Press the power key, scroll down to yes, press the power key again. Then once that is done, you want to scroll down to wipe cache partition. Press the power key again. Scroll down to yes. Press the power. Then once that is done, just reboot the system now, or we're just going to do the power off option. This is it guys. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you found it helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching.